Correlate is your tool of choice for digital image correlation? That's great. We at GOM are very proud to be able to offer you such a powerful and easy-to-use tool for all your optical measurement tasks. But wait a second. Digital image correlation? For free? At no cost? Yeah, that's possible. However, you've surely encountered situations before in which you did a couple of checks and wanted to do the same for another component? Or have you ever constructed a complex surface component, repeated the tests, and had a slight offset? Would you like more automated solutions? Project templates, for example? Or what about a powerful Python tool right in the software, even including a record function? What would you say if you could include your own customized calculations and easily save them as a check for later use? Maybe you are working in material testing, and you've always wanted a possibility to easily evaluate your tests complying with different standards? It's possible, and not limited to material tests. GOM provides a variety of solutions for a wide range of needs and ideas. Use reliable and proven concepts for your standard evaluations. Be creative. Increase your solution space. All of this is possible with GOM Correlate Professional.